Hi guys, just continuing on with the installation of the Artillery Hornet. We're just going to install the hot end on the unit. Pretty easy to see where it goes, but you just need to just give it a screw in there. There we go. I like the idea that the Bowden tube that I'll show you in a sec is very simple to install. There's no special clips, or it's just Artillery's patented Bowden tube in the neck. So do that one. I like the yellow guy. There we go. That's it. We now have assembled fully functioning Artillery Hornet in less than 10 minutes. My Ender 3 took me an hour and a half to put together, guys. Just really quick. I'm going to do another video to show you how it prints, but so far, really impressed. Thanks CS3D.com.au for providing this model for us to use for this demo purposes. Thanks guys.